Well, after being 3 weeks bush, we're now back at the beach. Last time we were at the beach was Browley. It was awesome, so maybe Eden is going to turn it on. What? Well, at least the sun's shining. Could be worse. I could be at work. Like, the beach is looking all right, but it's a bit on the frothy and dirty looking side. Probably because it's had all these floods and rains. But like I said, I could be at work and there's no way I'd swap this for work. Ooh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh, no, 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 no. Fine.
What the hell are you doing? Have you got the car keys?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
And we're going to head off to Eden today. So hopefully we can just go around and avoid all that rain. Out there. We're down the hill and we are heading to BEGA today. We thought we'd just have a quick look around and then hopefully find somewhere to stay in Eden. We're actually going to pull a caravan park. Our first one since Dubbo, which is, I'd have to look at it, about 4 or 5 weeks ago nearly now. So yeah, we're doing pretty well. But Cain, what is BEGA famous for?
I don't know. I actually didn't know. I read there was a cheese factory there. I thought, oh, we can go and check out the cheese factory.
Did you have no idea of like BEGA cheese?
Oh, it completely skipped my mind. You know, I had one of them moments where you go, oh, please don't tell anybody.
Do we like cheese and ice cream?
Oh, we love cheese and ice cream.
We love food.
Any weather. You can have ice cream in any weather. And let's go to BEGA because, I don't know, they got a cheese factory there. Who would have thunked it?
Yeah, not me.
I sent a memo for good weather.
Oh, did you? Yeah. Awesome. Sunshine and
I did.
Blue skies.
Yep, that's right. And lovely weather for the next few days. So
yeah. We have been trying to get to BEGA for like to BEGA and Eden for ages, and we've slowly been putting it off because the weather down here has been so crappy. So to rock up here and it's only just cloudy, not raining, we are winning already.
Yeah, there's a little bit of local flooding in BEGA though, from what I see.
Okay, well let's just have a look out this window. Okay, so we made it down the hill from Cooma this morning. Just found out as we're leaving Cooma that it is actually flooding down the main street down there. So we went around the back because we were dumping the toilet. Luckily, we missed all the flooding. So we have now rocked up at BEGA, and as you can see, it is flooding here too. But we can actually get over this bridge, so it's fine. But we thought we would go check out the cheese factory now.
The BEGA cheese.
Anyway, come out and let's check out this cheese factory.
a big old butter churn. It's after the cream was separated from the milk, salt's added to the cream, and then it's churned to a smooth consistency of butter. Not too fast, but yes, never seen one like that before.
These murals were made as part of a thing for the Sydney show, but they're made wholly out of seeds, millet, sorghum, tapioca, clover, canary. Like, that's amazing. That's all just out of seeds.
So, madam, why did it take you so long to milk the cow?
Because it had a lot of others.
What? It looks fine. I can't see any problems. Oh, there you go. I hope you got all 3 done.
Or 12. Well, after checking out the BEGA Museum, we decided to have a nice tasty snack here and maybe a little bit of ice cream and sit up on the veranda and watch the action unfold. And as you can see, the water is starting to come in.
So, with this bit of local flooding at BEGA, this is just at the back of their factory that you can see out in the background here. It's also running through the car park. So there's been some people down there shifting their cars out of the car park because the water's starting to run through it. So obviously it's rising.
I think we're going to get hit with some more rain very shortly, but it's been sunny here. Check this out. There is some serious car park flooding. And that has come up so much since we got here.
Well, had a great time at the BEGA Cheese Factory, but with everything else, the flooding now showed up after the rain. So that's the car park, and they're now closing up because the rivers are supposed to rise now pretty quick. The car park's nearly full of water, so we will be heading down to Eden, where it's supposed to be flooding too. So we're going to enjoy some floodwaters. Great times. Not like we haven't experienced it before. We're old hats at floodwaters.
Oh, same as we're old hacks at hiking now.
Hiking, professional hikers, professional floodwater navigators.
Hey, we actually haven't had to navigate floodwaters because we've avoided that altogether so far. This is our first actual lots of flooding.
I know, but we're loving this travel.
We'd like it with a little bit less flood dodging. I think it's a good time to get out of BEGA. The flooding is starting to spread. That is heading this way. Hopefully it's heading north and not down to us. That is what we're looking at the moment. Beautiful blue skies, sunshine. After dodging all the rain, we finally found our piece of paradise. We pulled up at the Garden of Eden. This place is incredible and only cost us $36 a night. Have to come and check this place out. Oh wow, well this is a first for this trip, I think, for nearly the entire time. So almost 3 months we've been on the road, and it's the first time I have literally got every window open and even the Sirocco fan going, because we hit Eden and it was predicted to have 40 to 70 mils today. I think they had the rain last night because it is sunny and it's actually a bit muggy and humid here. So hey, singlets, shorts, we are going to take this while we can, because we have had cold, rainy, cold, wet, rainy, windy, cold. So hot, warm, air everything out, do some washing. I'm enjoying this.
So we're at the Garden of Eden Caravan Park in Eden, which is a really nice place. Plenty of sights for when we were here, but it does get busy. The toilets and showers, I won't really show you inside because it's probably yucky, but they play rock, old 80s rock music. It's awesome. Means you can do your business in peace without hearing the person next door. Really, and showering, yes, look, it is really nice. It's got a really well equipped laundry. Everything's really nice and clean. Yeah. What the laundry cost? $5 for a wash. See, there's a barbecue area at this camp kitchen. I know, we haven't been to the camp kitchen because obviously we're a bit lazy. We are self-sufficient. It's actually inside. So, I know, it is. If it's cold, it'll be beautiful. A little lounge, so they've got a TV if you want to come and watch TV. Woohoo! It's got an indoor oven, fireplace indoor. Got a mini golf course. There's a tennis court out the back, but we won't go and have a look at that. Stick your head more through. Yes. How come Eve has clothes on? Tennis court, chessboard, come and play chess. Checkers.
That's pretty cool. No. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we'll do a knee or something. We're only going to stay 2 nights in Eden, but we decided that just wasn't enough to explore everything that it had on offer. So join us next week as we check out all things Eden, and hopefully this ocean gets a little bit bluer. Don't forget to like, subscribe so you can follow along for all of our fun adventures.
Somebody's trying to wash their feet. Ready, set, go! Come back, water! Go! Quick! Where's all the water? Wow, I've seen this rig before. It's a bloody awesome rig, but I think these bastards are stalking us. I see it nearly every day lately.
Oh, looking good.
No, you're not looking good.
Oh.
We've got to take little mates
What?
for a walk.
This isn't about me.
Just turned on.